It is noon here in North Myrtle Beach from the 5th floor of the Maritime Resort. And look at the sun is coming out and it's glistening on the ocean and melting and melting and melting all this freaking ice. It should be gone. It should be gone by tomorrow. Yeah. It looks pretty now. But we don't need this in North Myrtle Beach. We don't need this crap. All we need is sunshine and warm weather. I can't even go to the hot tub I got an indoor heated pool, but the hot tub is outside, so I can't go there, messing up my resort stay. Here at the beach. But I got some pretty pictures.